Some phone scammers have been relentless lately, and they've got a lot of tricks to hook you.
Local 5's Timothy Leteau now with information on how to protect yourself.
920-593-9142. If it seems like a typical Northeast Wisconsin number, it's not.
They leave a voicemail saying it's the authorities and that you have a warrant for your arrest and you need to pay this.
That spoofed phone number and the person behind it is responsible for impersonating law enforcement, scamming dozens of people in the process.
We have seen an increase in these types of scams.
Police say that people have fallen victim to the scam and have lost several $100s just this week alone.
This is like an electronic funds transfer, and once the money leaves the victim's hands, it's difficult for authorities to trace the money.
Difficult to solve? Yes. It could take months. But Alan is confident the case will be cracked with enough evidence.
What the victim can provide as far as the identity of the person. Is there a way to trace the funds? Do they have receipts? Do they have documentation as to where the funds went?
This case in particular has to do with impersonating law enforcement, but there are common signs of any fraud to always look out for.
And they're asking you to go to your local convenience store to get a Visa credit card to pay an outstanding bill. That should be setting out some significant red flags.
Keeping an eye out for signs of scams is the right code to staying safe. In Green Bay, Timothy Leteau, Local 5 News.
Thank you, Tim. And while the charges for the suspect are not yet known, a possible one is identity theft, which is a felony, and that carries a prison sentence of at least 1 year.